What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverlee, and I am back with another video. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, I have another Valentine's Day balloon DIY for you all. I'm using the same exact heart that I used in my last balloon mosaic heart video. I just pop all the balloons and I'm going to be using the frame again, but this time I'm going to be using solid colors. I've never done a balloon mosaic with only one color before, so I'm really excited about how this is going to turn out. I'm only going to be using red and foil heart balloons, which is also red, so just one solid color. So let's get straight into it. If you aren't subscribed to the channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up to boost the video, and also comment what you think about this video in the comment section below. Okay guys, so if you aren't familiar with my balloon mosaic tutorials, I am using a low temperature glue gun to glue the balloons. I use a little bit of blue dots on my foil balloon, and then I add the hot glue to it because that works best for me. Everyone else is different, and that is how I like to attach my foil balloons, with glue dots. Then I go in with the hot glue. But yeah, that is all I'm doing, just using my hot glue, gluing the balloons, and trying not to put the four balloons in one place. I'm just scattering it all over the balloon mosaic so it looks a little bit even. I inflated these 5-inch balloons really tiny. They're less than 1 inch for the most part, and I will try to insert a little video of me inflating a 5-inch balloon to make it look like a tiny little baby balloon, so you guys will know exactly how to do that. But that is all I'm doing throughout the whole process. So a common mistake I see you guys make, and you guys always send me pictures in my DMs and stuff and ask me what have you done wrong. You're inflating your base balloons too big. That is your larger balloons that you put at the bottom before you put in your baby balloons. You're inflating those too big. So by the time you add your smaller balloons, everything is like being pushed out of the frame and it looks all bad. So as I said before, just try to inflate your bigger balloons to no more than 5 inches. So by the time you add in your smaller balloons, everything will still be on the same level. And I only add my smaller balloons into the holes. I don't add it on top of another balloons. I just add it into my empty spaces to fill it in. So you're using your smaller balloons as fill-in balloons. Just like when you're making a balloon garland, you use your smaller balloon quads to fill in the spaces. So that's exactly what you're doing. Okay guys, so this is how the balloon mosaic looked right after I added the balloons to it. I really loved it, but when I started taking pictures, it was really hurting to the eyes. So I went ahead and added some leaves to it. These are artificial leaves I got off Amazon. I'll definitely link it in the description box below. But I really liked it after I added the leaves, and I like it without too, but not on camera. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and I will definitely catch you all in my next video. Bye.